Hello everyone! The rose-breasted grosbeak, a vibrant jewel of the avian world, is a sight to behold. Males, in particular, are a spectacle with their striking black and white plumage adorned by a vibrant rose-pink patch on their chest. This captivating bird, scientifically known as Fucticus ludovicinus, is a medium-sized songbird that inhabits deciduous forests across eastern North America during the breeding season. Beyond their striking appearance, rose-breasted grosbeaks are renowned for their melodious song. Their rich, flute-like vocalizations often fill the air with a sweet, whistled warble, creating a delightful symphony in the summer months. These vocalizations serve various purposes, including attracting mates, defending territories, and communicating with their young. These captivating birds play a vital role within their ecosystems. While primarily seed eaters, their diet is surprisingly diverse, encompassing insects, fruits, and berries. This varied diet contributes significantly to the ecological balance of their habitats. Their powerful, conical beaks are perfectly adapted for cracking open even the toughest seeds, making them effective dispersers of plant life. Interestingly, while often foraging in the forest canopy, these birds may occasionally descend to the ground in search of food. Rose-breasted grosbeaks are migratory birds, embarking on a remarkable journey each year. They breed in the eastern regions of North America during the spring and summer months. As autumn approaches, these birds undertake a long migration southward, spending the winter in Central and South America. During the breeding season, rose-breasted grosbeaks construct open-cup nests in trees, typically laying 3 to 4 greenish-blue eggs. Both parents share the responsibilities of incubation and feeding their young, ensuring their survival. While currently classified as a species of least concern, the rose-breasted grosbeak faces increasing threats from habitat loss and fragmentation. As human development encroaches upon their natural habitats, their breeding grounds are shrinking. Deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion all contribute to the loss of crucial nesting and foraging areas. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the continued survival of this magnificent bird for generations to come. Protecting and restoring forest habitats, minimizing the impact of human development, and promoting sustainable land use practices are essential steps in safeguarding the future of the rose-breasted grosbeak. The rose-breasted grosbeak, with its stunning appearance, melodious song, and vital ecological role, is a true treasure of the natural world. By appreciating and protecting their habitats, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the beauty and wonder of this remarkable species. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.